Hey Kevin, this is Sergio. So I spoke with you yesterday, and we agreed I could show you like the back ends behind building a website and the three optimizations I want to show you that can help improve leads coming into your website. Other than word of mouth and referrals, this is a big number on what your business can do for a projection of sales. So the first question of business owners is along the lines of why you should do this. Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. So sometimes the only hesitation they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. And it's the reason why you hired someone to build your website that was a family friend or just your friend. So after watching the minute what I'm about to show you, I appreciate some feedback. And whenever I show you the topics I'm about to cover, if they are important to you. So just to jump right in, I want to go over content. So as you can see, you do have your basic website still up, which is totally fine. You're about to get a new one, hopefully soon. But with your website, you want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. Do so you can insert any keywords you want to rank for. So those keywords is what I'm about to bring up next after I show you another cool trick with photos. So I went over to one of your service pages, which is really nice. You want at least 1,000 words for each service you want to compete with keywords and any location pages as well. So what I like to do whenever I'm trying to rank a page is I can save an image as a keyword. So yeah, right now you have Renz 8, which is probably your 8th photo in your camera roll. But you could save this as like waterproofing KC, right? Well, that's one way Google crawlers can find if your website is a valuable touch to whatever someone is searching. But what you don't see is behind the scenes on what people are putting into their website. So I got this tool called Ahrefs. I pay about $600 a month, and it's great for checking out any link juice, referring domains, or organic keywords that anyone may be searching that you also have. So right now I have what your keywords are. We have Renz Restoration, KC waterproofing. Now this is bringing in 90 people per month searching this keyword. Now it's a KD of 0 to 100, and this is a 3. So it's really easy to rank this keyword, but you're in a 40th position, so no one is finding you so when they search Kansas City waterproofing or KC waterproofing or Restoration Kansas City is another one. No one's finding you for that because you're in the 60th position. So I'm going to be showing you one of your competitors, KC waterproofing and foundation repair. Now this may be a more residential business, but it still has the same techniques and ranking. Just different keywords that we could change for you with the commercial side. Now, what you don't see behind their nice website and their content is the behind the scenes of what I'm showing you right now. In this Ahrefs, I have kcwaterproofing.com pulled up. They have a DR and UR of 42 and 22. Almost 3,000 backlinks, 590 front domains, and 535 organic keywords, bringing in a total of 137 people per month to their website, which then is converting into sales and leads and people calling in, asking you for your business to be come over there and give them an audit or something like that, right? So what you see behind the scenes is based on waterproofing Kansas City or KC waterproofing. They're both ranking in the first position, meaning they're bringing in the most traffic out of anyone else because most people click on the first organic search result thinking they're the best in the city. So mudjacking, waterproofing Kansas City are in the first position, bringing in almost 5 leads out of this 20. So you see they get at least a quarter of the clicks that anyone else does. All right, Kevin, so 3 steps to generating more sales via your website. Just a little overview is you got to increase the content on your site to at least 2,000 words on your homepage so you can rank those keywords I was talking about. And to rank those keywords, you have to implement these backlinks to rank them. Depending on how hard it is to rank, the more backlinks are needed to rank in the first position on Google. Now, the third thing I have not talked about yet is your citations to your GMB listing. And this is how you rank a GMB listing using that organic Google Map ranking. So to do this, you have to enter your citation, which is your name, address, and phone number into GMB and to any other directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, Facebook, so on and so on. Even Yelp has an area to where you can submit a citation, because these are all places where you can be found in Google, which is a directory. So I searched up waterproofing Kansas City. You can see that you're not going to be in the first page or probably even second page because you have not done any backlinking to any keywords or any organic listings, right? But you see KC Waterproofing is on this search 2 times because they have their about page and their homepage ranking. Now, you're not going to find yourself on here, like I said, because you're not ranking, but you see other people are. Now, this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to start beating out your competition in every aspect. But to be more focused on the Google Map Hack, let's go into this real quick. To get here, you have to insert your citations into directories like the Facebook, Yelp, CityStar. But it's your name, address, and phone number you're entering in, which will help you rank higher in the Google Map placings. Also, your 5-star reviews help tons whenever you're getting jobs, right? So the 3 things I went over was content, your backlinks and your keywords, and your citations for your GMB listing, which all I can help you out with if you want me to help you. Thank you for viewing this website audit. Call me or email me if you have any questions regarding the presentation or getting more sales through the 3 steps I've outlined above. And I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you, Kevin.